Hey all, welcome back to my channel. Some of you have probably seen my first ever video called Softening and Detangling Your Hair with Marshmallow Root. While I showed you how to boil and use marshmallow root, plus teaching you the benefits of the herb, I have not shown you the complete hairspray that I like to use. Here it is. You will need 1 cup of water to dilute the spray, half a cup of aloe juice for hair strengthening and grease control, 1 teaspoon sage leaf, which is great for hair circulation and nourishing the hair follicles, 1 teaspoon marshmallow root to naturally soften and detangle your hair. You can buy this on Amazon or maybe even Whole Foods. 3 drops of tea tree oil to help clear dandruff and add a natural shine to your hair. And 3 drops of rosemary essential oils for a pleasant scent. You will also need a spray bottle, teaspoon, and funnel. Then you add everything to a small bowl as follows. Then stir. I like to boil all of my ingredients afterwards. Some people might want to boil the herbs separate from the other ingredients, and that's okay too. After the mixture cools, strain out the herbs. Last step is you put your funnel over the spray bottle and pour some hairspray in. Let me know if this spray works for you. I hope you enjoyed making it along with me. It can last about 2 weeks in the refrigerator. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye guys!